If you're looking for Skechers hiking and trekking shoes, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Skechers hiking and trekking shoes. Number 1, most popular, by Skechers. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Skechers. Number 3. For more details about this great Skechers collection, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Skechers. Find these Skechers hiking and trekking shoes at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.